Welcome to JJ Central's DIY channel. Today we are going to see how to change an engine air filter on the 5th generation CR-V. I'm so excited because this is one of those little tasks that the dealer charges $100 for, which you can get this for about $10, and you can change it to yourself in 5 minutes and save $90 in no time. And that is about 1 million vehicles of these, saving million times $100 almost instead of giving it to the dealer. So let's do it. First step is to pop the hood, then open the latch, move it this way. Third step, secure the hood. Now we are ready to go. What we need for this job is a simple Phillips screwdriver, and all we're going to do is take out these 4 screws. I'm sorry, you don't even have to take out, but you just need to loosen those screws. There's one in the back here, and there's one down here. So pretty simple. 4 screws, just loosen them up. If it's a new car, it'll be pretty tight, so you may want to use a socket or a nut driver or something. It's metric number 8. All we are doing now is loosening these 4 screws to the point where it doesn't have any catch on the bottom. So the goal is to loosen all those 4 screws but not take it out all the way. So hand loosen them, and once you feel like it's not catching anymore, you're good. You'll see the box physically move and detach from the bottom part of the box. So once the 4 screws are about 3/4 of an inch released, just give a gentle lift, and you can see the filter underneath. The factory filter is down here. Before you completely take this out, make sure you notice the tab is facing forward towards the right, and that's the same orientation we're going to put the other filter. This is probably 1 year old, and that's how bad it's got. So definitely time for change. I'm going to be using a brand new Spearhead filter from Amazon. I'll put in the link on the description. Pretty cheap, about $12 I believe, but I always use this company. For some reason they're not sponsoring me or anything, but they do seem to make really good ones with perfect fitment. So brand new filter with the tab on the right front. We slip it back in. This may be a good time to inspect the box to see if there's any leaves or debris in here. If there's anything, just vacuum them out. If not, don't worry, I don't have anything in there. So all I'm going to do now is put all this back in the same process that we followed to undo, which basically means I am going to put these 4 screws back in. Make sure all the screws are tight, not way too tight, but tight enough. All right, that's it for changing an engine air filter on a 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 Honda CR-V. Now, if you go and ask the dealer to do this, they charge you close to $100, and this could be done in 5 minutes. All you need is one tool and a little bit of strength to open those screws, which anyone can do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe, and I will also show you how to change the cabin air filter on this car, which is also another thing the dealer would recommend you to change every year. Another expense which you can do for about the same price, about $15 or so. So let's get on to that video. Make sure you watch that, subscribe for this channel so I can bring you more video as well. See you in the next video. Then open the latch. Then open the latch. Move it this way to the point where it doesn't have any catch on the bottom, which is about 3/4 of an inch. All right. That is pretty bad.